Hey, welcome to TESS training. In this session, we're going to create, manage, and send a proposal. So let's get started. If you go to your trip management and click trips, at the top right, you'll click the add button and click proposal. Now this is just like a regular trip, so just enter your information here. This proposal is going to be a vacation, and this trip is going to go from September 14th to September 21st. We'll go ahead and add our trip description here, just like normal. This is for the Doster family, their vacation in 2019, and click Save. And now my client asked me to give them a price on a resort and a cruise. So I want to add those as two different traveling packages. So you'll click Add Traveling Package, and let's add our resort. You can see the check-in and check-out dates match our trip dates. I'll update the times here of check-in and check-out, and then I'll do a search for the property that they requested and then add it. I'll add my first room option. I want to give them a couple of different room options for them to choose from. I'll enter the price for that room option. I'll add my second room option for them to choose from. Select my room category and the price for that as well, and click Save. Now let's go add some flights to this traveling package. I'll choose my departure date, which is very important when searching for the live flight. Select the correct flight, add my segment. This is my second segment to my flight. And I'm going to put 0 here because that will show the word included on my proposal. Then we'll add our return flights and the 2 segments there as well. And click Save. So now we see our first traveling package is complete with our flights and our resort. So now let's add some travelers to this proposal. Just like normal, you would click and add traveler. We're going to add our primary client as Ron and click Save. We'll add our secondary traveler, Shawnee, and click Save as well. And then let's add our second traveling package, which is the cruise that they wanted information on. So click Add Traveling Package. We'll add the cruise. And once we search for it, we find our exact cruise and click on it to add it to our itinerary. And then we can add our room option and our room category. Add the price that we've gotten from our wholesaler and click Save. Now you can go and add car rentals, excursions, and any other information, any other activity that you would normally do for a trip here, and add it to any traveling package, whatever information you want to show. But let's say that we want to show this traveling package first. All you do is you go to the right and you click the up arrow, and it moves it to the top. So now let's go to our Communication tab and communicate with our client. We'll select our proposal detail template, or whatever template you would like. And as normal, you can see an at-a-glance on the top with these traveling packages. You can see traveling package number 1 and our traveling package number 2. And then it goes into the detailed itinerary below, all the information about the cruise and all the information about the resort. And just like in every communication and TESS, you can export this to a PDF and send it to them directly. You can email a TESS proposal to you directly, or you can email this proposal directly to your client, which we're going to do like this. You can see in the communication history it was sent, and if you refresh, once it's sent, under the status it'll read completed. Now there are a couple more things I want to show you. If you go to your information tab, say there's a traveling package that you do not want them to see, all you have to do is deselect them from the trip information screen. And then when you go back to your communications tab, go back to your template, you'll see that it's no longer here and that it shows the resort only. That's a great feature just in case you wanted to build a proposal with multiple traveling packages, and you can hide them however you need to. Now let's say they're ready to book and they chose the resort. So you come down to your trip information screen, and right to the right of that traveling package, you'll click Create Trip. On the next screen that pops up, you will select the room option that they chose for their trip. And now if you were wanting to add this to a group trip and you had one already created, you could search your groups here and add it automatically. And then click Create. And then you'll see it created a regular trip. I think you'll find that proposals are a great feature of TESS, and I hope you enjoyed this training. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy TESS.